Dear students, good evening and a warm welcome to CSAT Made Easy 2025 series, where we discuss the most exam-specific questions and concepts from the angle of the CSAT paper of 25 year. I am Sachin Gopanal, and our today's topic of discussion would be number system. And as I have told you multiple times before, number system, it is the most important topic from the angle of your exam in quant section, in quantitative aptitude section. This is the topic which will carry the most weightage. Other than this, the next other or other topic which carries more weightage than this thing or number system would be reading comprehension passages. So passages and number system, if you got thorough with these two topics, actually they just these two topics, they are enough to qualify the CSAT paper. Okay, let's go to the questions now. This is the first question. AB is a two-digit number. The number obtained by reversing its digits, that is BA, is 18 less than AB. So if A is equal to 5, then B is equal to what? Let's understand the question. The question tells us that there is a two-digit number and they have represented using the term AB. So it means that A is the first digit of the number and B is the second digit of the number. For example, if the number is 59, then A would be 5 and B would be 9. And when they reverse it, that is 59 is reversed, you get 95, right? When they reverse it, the newly formed number which is got by the reversing of the digits of the first original number, it is 18 less than it. So in that case, if the first digit, that is A, happens to be 5, then what would be the value of B? That is the question. So how do we solve this? We shall see how do we solve it. The given number is AB, right? What would be its value? We follow decimal system of number. So AB, its value would be 10A plus B. Why? Because if the number were 59, then it would be 5 into 10 plus 9, which would be 50 plus 9. Then you would get 59, right? So by that logic, the value of AB, the number, it would be 10A plus B. Okay. Now, what would be the reverse of these digits, the number got by the reversing of these digits? That would be BA. So what would be the value of BA? That would be 10B plus A. Same logic. If AB is 10A plus B, then BA would be 10B plus A. And they are telling us that BA, it is 18 less than AB. So AB is 18 more than BA. If BA is 18 less than AB, then AB is 18 more than BA. Okay. So now in this equation, in this equation, we shall substitute the values of AB and BA. So you will get 10A plus B is equal to 18 plus 10B plus A. Now we shall take A's one side and B's one side. What do we get? We get 10A minus A is equal to 18 plus 10B minus B. So you will get 9A is equal to 18 plus 9B. Now here all the digits, they are divisible by 9. So let's divide the entire equation by 9. Then what do we get? We get A is equal to 2 plus B, because 9A divided by 9 is A, 18 divided by 2, 9 is 2, and 9B divided by 9 is B. So you get A is equal to 2 plus B. Now they have given us one more piece of information. What is it? They have told us that A is equal to 5. Let's substitute in this equation. So 5 is equal to 2 plus B. So 5 minus 2 is equal to B. So the value of B would be 3. So your answer is B equals 3. Okay. Now using this basic level equation, basic level question, we understood the basic concept. Now based on this, we shall go to one step higher level of question. This is the question. ABC is a 3-digit number. The number obtained by reversing its digits is a 2-digit number, which is 396 less than ABC. Okay. Now they gave us a very tricky piece of information. What is it? ABC is a 3-digit number. Okay. For example, it might be 591, 591. So you will have the values of A, B, and C. There would be 5, 9, and 1. Okay. The number obtained by reversing its digits, that would be, if the number was 591, reversing it, you will get 195. So If you reverse a 3-digit number, you should get a 3-digit number. However, they are telling us that the number obtained by reversing its digits is a 2-digit number. How can it be a 2-digit number? If you reverse a 3-digit number, you should get another 3-digit number. So how can you get a 2-digit number by reversing the digits of a 3-digit number? The logic here is that if the third digit of the original number is 0, then the number obtained by reversing its digit would be 2-digit, because instead of 591, which was the example that I gave you, if it was 590, reversing it you will get 095, and 0 has no value there. So 590 reversed, it would become 95. So a 3-digit number became 2-digit after reversing the digits. So that is the logic here. The logic here is that the value of C, it is 0. Only then you will get a 2-digit number after reversing the 3-digit number. Okay. So now we shall we got the logic behind this tricky piece of information. Now we shall use the concept that we learnt in the previous problem to solve this one. So the number is ABC and its value would be 100A plus 10B plus C, correct? Because if the number was 590, 5 into 100 plus 9 into 10 plus 0, correct? So 100A plus 10B plus C. This is how our decimal system works. If you did not understand this, just watch the previous videos of number system of my series, then I have in length discussed this topic. Okay. Now let's go ahead. And we also found out that the value of C is 0. So we shall substitute it directly here. A, B, C, that would be equal to 100A plus 10B plus nothing. C is 0, so it does not have any value. Then if you reverse it, what do you get? If we reverse it, we would get CBA. And since C is 0, so its value would be just BA. And what is the value of BA? That would be 10B plus A. Okay. Now what we shall do is we shall use the condition, the second condition, that is the 2-digit number, it is the 396 less than the original number. So what is it? The condition says that CBA, it is 396 less than ABC. Okay, this is what the condition says. Now what is the value of CBA? The value of CBA is BA, and the value of BA is 10B plus A. So 10B plus A is equal to, what is the value of ABC? That would be 100A plus 10B minus 396. Okay. Now we shall take all the A's one side and all the B's one side. So 10B minus 10B is equal to 100A minus 396. Okay. Now 10B minus 10B, that would be 0. 100A minus A, that would be 99A minus 396. So you will get, we shall send 396 to the LHS side, left hand side. 396 is equal to 99A, and 396 divided by 99 is equal to A. Both of them they happen to be divisible by 9. So 9 4s are 36, 3 remainder, another 6, 9 4s are 36, 9 11s are 99. Now 44 is divisible by 11, 11 4s are 44. So the value of A, it came to be 4. So what is your answer? The answer is A is equal to 4. Okay. Using these two questions, we understood the basic concept of number system, which is the decimal system, how to express the numbers in the decimal system and how to reverse the digits, and when the condition is given, which is the reverse digit number, it is something more than this one or something less than this one, we will make use of equations and solve the condition, then we will get the required number. Okay. Now based on the concept that you learnt in the previous two problems, here is a homework question for you. This was asked in the 2018 paper. A number consists of 3 digits, of which the middle one is 0. Their sum is 4. If the number formed by interchanging the first and last digits is greater than the number itself by 198, then the difference between the first and last digits is. Here they are asking you to interchange the first and last digits. It is nothing but reversing the number entirely, because first digit, second digit, third digit. If you interchange the first and last, then you get third digit, second digit, first digit. So it is same as reversing the 3-digit number itself. So use the concept that you learnt in the previous two problems and you will be able to solve this one. Do solve this one and leave your answers in the comment section. We will discuss the answer to this question in the next class. Okay, now it is time to discuss the homework question of the previous class. This was your homework question in the previous class. It was based on the concept of probability. Let's see it. A bag contains 15 red balls and 20 black balls. Each ball is numbered either 1 or 2 or 3. 20% of the red balls are numbered 1 and 40% of them are numbered 3. Similarly, among the black balls, 45% are numbered 2 and 30% are numbered 3. A boy picks a ball at random. He wins if the ball is red and numbered 3, or if it is black and numbered 1 or 2. What are the chances of his winning? Okay, let's get a brief understanding of the question. The question tells us that in a bag there are black balls and red balls. Some of the black balls have been marked 1, 2 or 3, and the same applies for red ones also. They have been marked 1, 2 or 3. So this boy will win if he picks either a black ball which is either a red ball which is numbered 3 or a black ball which is numbered 1 or 2. So if it is black, it should be numbered 1 or 2. It should not be numbered 3, and if it is red, it should be numbered 3, not 1 or 2. So even only then he will win. We will use the concept of probability to solve this one. In the previous class, we learned the what did we learn? We learned the formula for probability. What was it? The formula for probability was P is equal to, probability is equal to number of favorable outcomes divided by a number of all the possible outcomes. Yes, this is the formula that we learnt in the previous one. We shall see how we can apply it in this context. Now, this bag, how many balls does it have in total? It has 15 red balls and 20 black balls. So this when this boy picks a ball at random, how many possibilities are there? He might pick any of those 35 balls, right? So there are totally 35 possibilities. So the denominator, the number of all the possibilities, it is 35, because he can pick any ball out of those 35. It doesn't matter. So the number of total possibilities, it happens to be 35. Now let's calculate the number of favorable possibilities. So there are 15 red balls, right, and 20 black balls. Now how many of the red balls have been numbered 1? That would be 20%. Each ball is 20% of the red balls are numbered 1. So what is 20% of 15? That would be 20 by 100. 20 by 100, it is nothing but 1 by 5, because 20 into 5 is 100. So 15 by 5, you will get 3. So how many red balls have been numbered 1 is 3. So 3 red balls, they have been numbered 1. Then how many have been numbered 3? That would be 40%, right? 40% of 15. That would be 2 by 5, because 20 into 2 is 4 and 20 into 5 is 15. So 5 divides 15, 5 3s are 15. So 2 into 3, that would be 6. So how many red balls have been numbered 3? That would be 6. So okay, and the remaining would be 2. If 3 balls have been numbered 1 and 6 balls have been numbered 3, that would be 9. Out of 15, 9 have been marked 1 or 3. The remaining 6, they would be marked 2. Okay. So we got the specific numbers of which ball has been numbered, which number. Okay. Now let's talk about black balls. Black balls, 45% have been numbered 2. So what is 45% of 20? 20 will divide 100, right? 25 is 100. So 5 will divide 45, that would be 5 9s are 45. So how many black balls have been numbered 2 is 9. Okay, 9 black balls have been numbered 2. Then 30% are numbered 3. What is the 30% of 20? Again 20 divides 100, 25s are 200, and 5 will divide 30, 5 6 are 30. So how many black balls have been numbered 3? That would be 6. Okay. So 9 black balls, they have been numbered 2, and 6 black balls, they have been numbered 3. So the remaining 9 plus 6 is 15. So the remaining 5, they would be numbered 1. Okay, now we got the specific numbers of each black ball and red ball, which have been numbered with different numbers, 1 or 2 or 3. So what is the favorable condition? The favorable condition is, if it is red, it should be numbered 3, and if it is black, it should be numbered 1 or 2. So how many red balls are numbered 3? That would be 3, correct? Okay. Then how many black balls have been numbered 1 or 2? That would be 9 and 5. So the favorable conditions would be 3 plus 9 plus 5. Why? Because 3 balls are red, which are numbered 1, and 9 plus 5, that is 9 balls are black and numbered 2, and 5 balls are black color and numbered 1. So those are the favorable balls that the boy needs to pick to win. So they will be considered favorable in our case. So 3 plus 9 plus 5, that would be 12 plus 5, that is 17. No, I think we made a mistake. Yes, sorry. If the ball is red, it should be numbered 3, right? If the ball is right, if the number 3 balls, they are 6. Sorry. If the ball is red, it should be numbered 6. And how many red color number 3 balls are there? 6. So the favorable condition should be 6 plus 9, 5. Why? Sorry. I misread this 3. Okay. 6 balls, they have been numbered 3, and they belong to red. So 6 plus 9 plus 5, that would be how much? 6 plus 9 is 15, and 15 plus 5 is 20. So there are 20 balls by picking which the boy can win. So the favorable numbers, that would be 20. So 20 divided by 35, that will be your answer. However, it can be further simplified. 5 4s are 20, and 5 7s are 35. So your answer would be 4 divided by 7, option B. Okay. So we found out the answer using the regular method. I had also told you that there was a quick method to solve this one without solving all of this. What is the quick method to solve this one? It is to look at the options and eliminate the impossible ones. What do I mean by that? You see, we know that the basic formula of probability is number of favorable possibilities divided by number of all the possibilities. Yes. So number of favorable possibilities, let's take it as x. It can be anything. We calculated using a 1 or 2 minutes. So let's say we did not know how to calculate it. We will leave it. We did not know the concept of percentage, so we did not calculate it. Okay, let it be x. We shall take it as x. What is the total number of possibilities? That will be remain 35, right? Because there are total 35 balls in the bag, 15 red and 20 black. So the answer, the denominator, it will always be 35. So the answer would be in the format x by 35, and after simplifying it, you should get either 1 by 2 or 4 by 7 or 5 by 9 or 12 by 13. Okay. After simplifying it, what can be the possible values of the denominator? Whatever value you get here, it can be 1 by 5 or 2 by 7, or as in this case, it is 4 by 7 or 3 by 5, whatever it be. The denominator, it will always be a factor of this 35, right? Because you are reducing it, you are dividing 35 by something, so that in the simplified fraction that you get, whatever the number be, the denominator, it should be a factor of 35. So look at option A. Here the denominator is 2. It is not a factor of 2 is not a factor of 35. So that is not your answer. Look at option B. 7. Yes, it is a possible. It is possible that 4 by 7 can be the answer. Look at option C. 5 by 9. 9 is not a factor of 35. So that cannot be your answer. Look at option D. The denominator is 13, and 13 is not a factor of 35. So that can also not be the answer. So we have eliminated A, C and D. The only remaining option is B, and it has to be the correct answer. Okay. I hope that you liked today's class. I hope that it was beneficial to you. If you like our classes, do watch us regularly. We upload one class every alternating day. All the best, and most of all, happy studying.